So the student can access the
Yes,
information.
but like this one, yeah. If you want to, if you choose this one, that, oh yeah. They cannot, they can simply click the borrow button, then the student must call the attention of the administrator to access the system. Okay. And all the buttons are enabled now. Okay, to the
What is the function of delete?
sir, delete.
Deleting of information about
Yes.
what?
Record of the sir.
Okay. So how about the previous record of book that has been borrowed? Do you have that one?
Yes, sir, this one.
Or
Sir. This is the record already. If we
that would be a long period of time. Do you think you can still retain it into your system?
sir, that's why we have this search, the record, the due date, and
That's right. Say for example, I want to look for a record for a book that has been borrowed for a year 1983.
Yes, year 1983.
That's why I have to monitor that book is
The
ready.
ABC 1983, yes. That's one, sir.
Okay. No, that is the
Yes, sir, the availability.
the availability of the book.
Yes.
But what I am asking you, Mr. Mayor, if I can monitor the previous document, wherein that particular book, wherein that, considering the date that has been borrowed.
So we have to look this one, sir. Search. That's why we have to indicate the date borrowed for the librarian to know.
Yes, okay, you have already mentioned
Yes.
this a while ago. A previous record that I want to monitor, it was according to that record that a book from 1983 that has been borrowed by that particular date. But I want to, the information that I wanted to reveal would be if I can still monitor those transactions that I have before.
So you are the one to the user. You are the one to be you're accessing the
Both students and the one who can have the access for their account.
Can you explain? Elaborate.
Okay, you are stating a while ago the date borrowed,
Because this is
date returned.
Yes.
Okay, and no doubt that we can easily monitor the records of the book,
Yes.
how many books that we have in the library, and the one that I have mentioned, date borrowed and date returned. What I want you to reveal to inform us if, say for example, we have a book that has been borrowed from this particular year, which is 1983, and I really want to monitor the previous document that we have in the previous document, we can still monitor that.
That's no, sir. That's the limitation of our system, sir. All we have is the existing books.
But what if I will inform you that all the libraries that we have nowadays pertaining to the modern strategy of a library system, they do have.
That's what we have now.
Which is something, and that is a very
But-
important information that
I
we
mean-
want to do.
In that case, sir, if you are enrolled in a particular school, then just like we have a library here, it's only a small one that through your computer system. It's just a I mean it's to what is because the business super system is the library itself. That's why we don't have to.
Yes, we know it, but we have to look for the possibility. Say for example, I will give this material to you because I borrowed some book from you, from your library. Okay, and I want to get this material again, and I will return the book. And for a long period of time, I wasn't able to return it. That is the only available time that I have.
So you
You mean to say, here, from the old transaction that we have before, we will just simply bring everything working on this day. So I can return this material to you. Then I will, before you can give the materials to me, I have to return the book to you.
yes, sir.
Okay, so you will look for the records again.
Yes, sir.
The date card,
Yes.
what is my penalty before you can accept returning the book again. That is very important in a library system.
Yes, sir. That's why in our rule in the school, before you borrow book, now the student must present this ID.
What system, what kind of library system that we are doing? We have two classification of a library system. The large one and the small one. We have the DBA classification system for a large library,
Ano, sir?
wherein you have to use number and letters to look for the name of the book. And that would be a classification system for a large library. Since we have a small one, okay, we only have limited information.
Yes, sir.
Fine. But still, those are important information that you can still record the previous transactions that we have.
This one is not the...
But you limit your previous transaction by working on that date only. Okay. What if that is 1983, 1984, and then I will return the book for 2012?
Sir, that's why we can do it. Then,
It was according to you a while ago that you were not able to monitor it. That is the limit of your system. What if I will inform you, National Library, they are now working on those records, previous records, or previous transactions.
we have already the record, sir.
Yes, we need to work on the record, we have the record, we have the date, the date that has been borrowed, book. No doubt into it that you provide those information needed. The only thing would be the previous transactions from a long period of time.
So you mean we must have the compilation of the...
Yes, yeah. That would be part of the library system.
Yes, sir. That's why we, in your that case, sir, we provide a print that will be there, provide us the record daily, individually.
We have an equivalent hard copy of it. Say for example, in one particular library, they are using index card. Okay?
Yes, sir, we have.
Or we call it card catalog.
Catalog, sir.
Okay. We need that it's necessary that it has an equivalent printed document.
Yes, sir.
How important is it?
It's your evidence. It's your record. It's your proof that you borrow a book. And for the sake of the librarian, it's also your record.
If I will find myself, can I use the system to find myself?
Bakit nawala yung cellphone mo?
Or able to see or
Paano iwan mo
balik ko
CR?
pa lang.
Naiwan mo CR.